Hey there, today let's look at this 6-inch caliper sent over to me from the brand. This is going to be super handy if you do DIY at home, woodworking, machining, 3D printing, and honestly just anything you want some really accurate measurements at home. Now right away, this has a large, easy to read LCD screen, so there's no squinting and trying to guess at what the numbers are. When it comes to measuring, you can switch between inches, millimeters, and fractions with just one button. So this is going to measure in 4 different ways. One, it's going to measure the outside measurements for width, thickness, and diameter. It also can measure inside measurements for openings and gaps. It can measure the depth of something like a small hole or maybe recess in a piece of wood. It also has step measurements for ledges and drop-offs. This is going to cover everything from round and flat to cylindrical types of objects. Now, when it comes to accuracy, this one is accurate to plus or minus 0.001 inch. And that stainless steel build helps prevent flexing or drift, so you're going to get consistent readings every time. When this turns off, it does not lose its calibration amount showing. But to cancel out a reading or remeasure, you simply press the 0 button to zero everything out. This model has an auto off after 8 minutes, comes with a pre-installed battery and a spare, along with a mini screwdriver for swapping out the battery. The thumb roller here is a smooth roll for precise adjustments, and it has this locking screw on top to hold the measurement in place so nothing slips. When not in use, the caliper fits in this hardback case for easy storage. If you're looking for a tool that's going to help with all of those intricate home measurements, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.